We're Grayson and Ashley. We've been on the road for almost 6 years, and 5 of those years have actually been in a nuCamp Cirrus 820. Our first one was a 2017 820 that we lived and traveled in for over 3 years, and about 2 years ago we upgraded to this 2024 Cirrus 820 when we upgraded our truck. Since then, we've driven nearly 50,000 miles all across North America, revisiting some of our favorite places and discovering a lot of new ones too. We've also had the opportunity and pleasure to work with nuCamp as ambassadors. They've been building truck campers and teardrops for over 20 years out of Sugar Creek, Ohio, so it's safe to say they know what they're doing, and it's been really cool to actually live in one of their campers full time like this. So after 2 years in this camper and all those miles, we wanted to share our thoughts on our camper and our setup as a whole, answer some commonly asked questions, and give a little tour along the way. So let's start with one of the most common questions we get. What truck do we have and why? While the Cirrus 820 is built for 3/4 ton short bed trucks, we have a 2019 F450 cab chassis with the 60CA 6.7 liter diesel, and it's also the XL model. It's on a 3.5 inch Wicked Customs leveling kit with Fox 2.0 shocks on Stasworks 20-inch wheels, wrapped in Falcon Wild Peak AT4Ws in the size 295/6520. We did choose an F450 for a reason though. Since we're on the road full time, have 2 dogs, and a lot of outdoor hobbies, we wanted to make sure that we can add exterior storage boxes around our camper so we can stuff them with stuff and still have the GVWR and weight bearing capacity for all the stuff. We specifically chose an XL model as well because it has less tech, vinyl floors, vinyl seats, so it could be cleaned easily and our furry friends wouldn't ruin a nicer truck. We've absolutely loved our decision to go with a larger truck, even though we do get docked a little bit in the miles per gallon department. And after thousands of miles with the setup, it's becoming something we don't really have to think about anymore. It just works for the way we travel. From long highway days to getting out to more remote spots, it's been a really comfortable and capable setup for us, which makes a big difference when you're doing this full time. The dually gives us great stability, and we've been able to take this beast of a rig to places we could have only ever dreamed of camping and exploring. And while we're outside, I think it's only fair that we show you a pretty big piece of our setup besides our sick camper, obviously, which are our Stable Camper storage boxes. On the front here, we have the garage box by Stable Camper. It is 30 inches wide, 41 inches tall, and 80 inches long, and it's huge. I mean, we have so much in here, even though we are pretty bad at organizing, and there's still space for more things in here. And from here, you can see what we have next, which are our Stable Camper false wall side boxes, and that means they have no top, no back, and before you mention it, because it's mentioned all the time, no, water does not get in there unless the rain is literally going sideways. What we love about the false wall boxes is that, I mean, it's stuffed obviously, but it allows us to stuff stuff in here all the way up against our camper. So we have tons of things in here: hammocks, luggage, chairs, and so much more. Having this much exterior storage has honestly changed the way we travel. It lets us bring the gear we actually use, whether that's for filming, exploring, or just everyday life, without feeling like we're sacrificing space inside. And over time, we've really just figured out what we reach for the most, so everything out here has a purpose. And I highly recommend going this route if you're thinking about doing a camper with a flatbed and side boxes, because it is a total game changer to camping and full-time living. And before we go inside, I want to answer one more question that is pretty commonly asked, and that is, what is your solar setup? While the lithium upgrade from nuCamp is fantastic, being that we have a fully electric rig, yeah, you heard that right, fully electric, we needed a little bit more, so we decided to add a rack of solar made up of 900 watts of red arc panels. We also added 2 50 amp BCDC chargers. We have 600 amp hours of battle-born lithium, all accompanied by a 3000 watt Victron inverter. Being fully self-contained like this has given us so much flexibility. Whether we're staying off grid or out in more remote places, we don't have to plan every stop around hookups, which makes travel feel a lot more open and spontaneous. And that's something we've really come to appreciate the longer that we've been on the road. So yes, we are fully off grid, but enough about the truck and all of the specs. Let's flip this camera around and let Ashley show you our humble abode.
This has been our home for the past 2 years, and while some people might consider it to be small, for us it's been perfect for full-time travel and living, so let me show you inside. Right as we walk inside, you can probably see what drew us to this camper in the first place. Not only is it super high quality and built by the Amish, but it is so beautiful and modern in here. The colors that they go with keep it so light and airy, and also make it so easy to add our own personal touches. This is where we probably spend most of our time, everything from eating, working, and really just hanging out. Even on bad weather days, it's a very practical place to be. And another thing we love about this seating situation is the storage. nuCamp does such a good job at putting storage in every single nook and cranny, so underneath both dinette seats is a huge amount of storage. And speaking of eating, another common question that we get is how practical is it really to cook and eat in here? I think a lot of people think that cooking in a small space is a lot different than a big space, but honestly, it's pretty similar. We still have our induction cooktop, we have a convection oven and microwave, so we really have everything we need. And yes, it might be small, but it's very practical and everything is within arm's reach, which actually makes cooking pretty easy. And despite the fact that we travel full time, we still do cook and eat most of our meals inside, and we live pretty healthy, active lifestyles, which means we eat a lot, and feeding Grayson is kind of a full-time job, so we definitely use this kitchen a lot. Cooking in here has become part of our daily routine, and over time we've gotten really comfortable making it work in our space. It's simple, but it's something we've really come to enjoy. This has to be my favorite place in the camper, so welcome to our bedroom. Not only is it so cozy, but it's also so practical. On both sides of the bed, we both have a good amount of storage, so we're able to have all of our clothes with us. And another thing I love is all the windows and natural light that we get up here. There are windows on both sides of the bed, and there's also a skylight, which is the best at nighttime. You can open it and see the stars, which is amazing. But probably the best part is that we are able to sit up in bed. We have a 12-inch mattress that we've actually upgraded to, and even with this huge mattress, we can both still sit up in bed. The mattress that comes in here is great for camping and great for shorter trips, but if you're full-time like us, an upgraded mattress just made sense. And look, we still have so much room. While the 820 might not have a dry bath, it still has everything we need, from a shower to the sink to the toilet. It really does check all of the boxes. It might not be huge, but it's really well thought out and very practical. But with all of that said, let's head back outside so we can talk a little bit more about the last 2 years in this camper.
The biggest thing that we've learned after 2 years in our 2024 Cirrus 820 and over 6 years on the road is that more is not always more. We've been there, we've done that, we've had the more, and our Cirrus is just perfect for us. And honestly, being organized, having a daily routine, and then being okay with the outdoors being a part of your living space is all a part of this lifestyle. And after 2 years, almost daily, does this camper feel more like home. And I feel like we have it pretty dialed in for the way that we like to travel.
What we love most about our camper is not only is it cozy, but it's also capable, and it gives us the creature comforts that we crave, but also it doesn't tie us down, and it gives us so much freedom to go wherever we want.
1 second, guys.
Cars every 2 seconds.
And this camper is really perfect for anyone who wants mobility, to chase adventure, or doesn't want a bunch of extra space or like a monstrous camper that like holds them back. It's great for solo travelers, couples, people who love the outdoors, or even people who just want to boondock a lot and move a ton, kind of like we do. If you want a camper with a huge living space, 5 slides, and all those things, this probably isn't the setup for you. But if you like waking up in beautiful places, getting off the beaten path, and traveling and seeing a lot on a road trip, or even just overall, this is the perfect setup for you, for sure.
At the end of the day, this camper has taken us to some insane places through every season, thousands of miles, and even the ordinary moments too. And after 2 years in our 2024 Cirrus 820 and almost 6 years on the road, this has truly been the best place to call home.
But with that said, we have so many more adventures coming up this summer in our Cirrus, and we are so excited for it, and we want to bring you along and don't want you to miss out. So if you've watched this video and you've liked our video so far, give it a thumbs up. We have also another video on our camper. We have 2 other videos on our camper, actually. We have a full-on tour where we're going to link it down below. And then we also have another video after living in our camper for 6 months, which we'll also link down below. But if you like this video, like I said, give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, we're Grayson and Ashley. We'd love for you to be a part of our online family. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and become a part of our online family. And if you don't want to miss a video when it comes out, make sure to click the bell. I know I say this every single time, and some of you guys are still missing videos. So hit that bell, don't miss out, and we will see you next week. Peace out,
Thanks for watching.